Today's crafting video is coming to you from my kitchen instead of my craft room. And why is that? That's because I'm doing some print and cut stickers. But I want to show you that when I use the Neato brand labels that are super glossy waterproof, that it did make them waterproof. So I know a lot of people worry about using a super glossy with their machine because sometimes if you're using the Explore machine, it doesn't pick up the sensor lines because of that glossy. But you can see, I have an Explore, and you can see those cut lines, trying to focus. So it did cut it. My tip there is close the lid of your Cricut machine. So it makes it darker in there and you can really read the sensor lines. Okay, now for the real fun. Is this sticker waterproof? So let's test that out by turning on the water, running underneath. And you can see nothing's smeared, but here's the real test. Let's wipe it off and dry it. You can see I'm wiping across it. So, it didn't smear, it didn't smudge. It truly is waterproof. So now instead of doing a print and cut project and using like a laminator sheet, get your Neato labels. They're super glossy and waterproof. And you can make stickers like this that you can put on water bottles or cups or even on a car decal, and you don't have to worry about it getting wet. The Neato labels, I'm going to leave a link for where you can buy them in the description. It is my affiliate link, so thank you for supporting what I do. I make a small commission off of the sales. And there's also a discount code right now for the month of June 2021. So I'll drop that info in the description for this video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so you also get all of the notifications for my new videos. And then let me know what you're gonna make with your Neato brand labels that are super glossy and waterproof. Thanks.